Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we decided to do the video outside. It's nice, it's a beautiful day, and this is a beautiful watch face. Now you may hear some wind in the background. Hopefully you can still hear my voice, but I had to show you this watch face. This one is by IWD, and this guy is steady doing this thing. He is raising the bar so far as awesome digital watch faces are concerned. Now the name of the watch face is called D65 Neon. My man did a beautiful job with such a casual watch face. So if you're going to be dressed down for over the weekend, you're going to be at a barbecue, cookout, you're going to be just out and about, this would be the watch face that you want to play on your wrist over the weekend. All right, so don't forget this watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Make sure you download right after the video. All right, with that being said, let's take a look at this watch face. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look so far as digital time is concerned. Now when the watch face is on, I do like the design of this one. Definitely is different from most watch faces that I've seen in the Gear Manager store, and difference is a good thing. Now up at the top, you are going to get your power information, very different. It's like a gauge. You got a red dot that's going to represent where you are with your battery percentage. You come down, you're going to get info, of course, on your calories burned, your heart rate information, floors climbed. Also, you got a nice legible digital time, which is perfect exactly where it's at. Blends in with the design of the watch face, which I thought was nice. You're going to get a PM stamp along with animated seconds. Now if you look to the left of the watch face, I like this look. I'm loving the font as well of the month, and also you're going to get your date, and the days of the week are going to be going across the top, which is a nice blend within this watch face. Now if you come down, you are going to get your step information, miles walked or ran, and also your goal completed depending on where you set your goal at. This is definitely a great looking watch face, and it is interactive. So if I tap there, I can bring up my calendar information. If I tap on my steps, I can bring up my step status info. And also if I tap on my heart rate, I can bring up my heart rate information as well. So this is definitely a good look for a digital casual dress down watch face. And also if I double tap, I can customize the color theme of the watch face. And we're going to cycle through all of them, so be patient with me because I need for you to see this watch face. This is beautiful. My man really got down on this watch face. Got plenty of colors to blend in with whatever you have on for the day. Now look at this. It changes colors continuously. I didn't see that one coming, but it is definitely nice. Let me tap it one more time. And this is what you're going to have if you want to have a basic color blended with some color. This is nice. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Listen, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having the greatest weekend ever. Have fun, enjoy family and friends, and be safe. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.